Have you heard about the AI for Good Bootcamp by Help and Grow community?
Oh?
It's this amazing initiative empowering youth through technology and innovation.
Really? Tell me more. What's it all about?
Well, it's focused on using AI to address real-world challenges.
Right.
It's like giving young people the tools to become dreamers and innovators, not just, cogs in a machine.
That's fantastic. So they encourage creativity and empathy?
Exactly. Through project-based learning, they engage participants with real-world business cases. They
Yeah.
use AI tools to build impactful products for social good.
That sounds so practical. How does AI help them learn better?
Well, AI lowers the threshold for achieving complex tasks.
Mm-hmm.
It provides fast feedback, so learning becomes more engaging and rewarding. It's like giving them a rocket booster for their creativity.
I like that analogy. So they get to experience the joy of creation quickly?
Absolutely. And that builds self-motivation.
Right.
When you're motivated, learning isn't a chore anymore.
Makes sense. So how is this bootcamp structured?
It's got several phases. First, there's online collaborative learning over a month with weekly expert-led sessions.
Okay.
They cover topics like how AI enhances learning and the UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Oh, they tie in the SDGs? That's great.
Yes, because they align with global goals for sustainability and social
Yep.
impact. Then, they move into problem definition and solution brainstorming, using AI tools for research.
So they're tackling real-world problems?
Exactly. Then they spend a month on product design and MVP building.
Yeah.
They form teams and create prototypes using AI.
That's hands-on learning at its best. Do they get to showcase their work?
Definitely. There's an offline experience in Singapore for 3 to 5 days.
Wow.
They present their projects to industry experts, visit tech companies, and receive feedback from mentors.
That exposure must be invaluable. But isn't such an intensive program overwhelming for some?
Well, it's challenging. But the program is designed to be supportive.
Right.
They emphasize positive reinforcement to keep participants motivated.
I suppose. But do you think focusing so much on AI might neglect developing other essential skills?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
But the bootcamp integrates collaboration and empathy into the learning process, so it's not just about tech skills.
True. It's about preparing them to make a social impact using AI as a tool.
Exactly. And it aligns with Singapore's national AI strategy, promoting AI for public good.
That's a significant alignment. So they're part of a bigger vision.
Absolutely. By collaborating with local businesses and institutions, participants gain real-world experience and a global perspective.
Mm-hmm. It's inspiring. So what's the vision behind Help and Grow community?
They believe in lifelong learning and using technology to create social impact.
Right.
Their motto is, help others first and grow together.
I love that philosophy. It fosters a culture of collaboration and empathy.
Exactly. And that's crucial in today's fast-evolving world.
Yeah?
They want to prepare youth to lead with empathy and creativity.
It all sounds promising. But might there be challenges in implementing such programs widely?
Well, scaling education initiatives always has challenges.
Right.
But with the right support and emphasis on social responsibility, it's possible.
I hope so. Empowering the next generation is vital.
Absolutely. And programs like the AI for Good Bootcamp are steps in the right direction.
Agreed. I'm excited to see how these young dreamers will shape our future.
Me too. It's inspiring to think about.